Now we will see how to create a full course. I start by entering the course details like the name and the description, should I publish it now or hide it for later, as well as the course image. Now my course is created. If I enter to check the details, there are still no learners invited, nor there are any sessions for this course. So I'm going to start by adding a session, which is a booking. So I'm going to add a booking for that course. I enter the details and the time zone, again, as per my school time zone. I set the duration and that's it. Now all I have to do is invite some students to that course. So I go to manage enrollments. I select the students that I want to add to the course, and I add to course. Again, with a simple refresh, I can see the updated list. Now, if I go to all courses, I can see that I have some learners enrolled. If I check the details, I can also see the schedule, and I can keep on adding sessions as much as the course needs. Students will be automatically invited to those sessions. Even the sessions show in all bookings page as well.